guys! In this video, we're going to learn some very clever tricks to multiply 11 or 111 with any other numbers. If you master these tricks, you can solve these problems in seconds. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell button to turn on notifications, because more incredible content is on its way. Okay, let's get started. We already learned how to multiply a two-digit number by 11. If you're not familiar with it, please check out the link in the description. Let's begin. In the first example, we'll find the product of a three-digit number and 11. 235 times 11. First, we put 2 in the first and 5 in the last position. 3 plus 5 equals 8. We put it next to 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. We put it next to 8. And now we get 2,585. That's the answer. It's so simple and fast, right? Let's look at another example with a four-digit number. 1,542 times 11. It can be solved in the same manner. We put 1 in the first and 2 in the last position. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 1 plus 5 equals 6. We put 6, 9, and 6 in the middle and get 16,962. That's it. We're all done. Then how do you calculate 25,324 times 11? It's the same process. We put 2 in the first and 4 in the last position. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 5 plus 3 equals 8. And 3 plus 2 equals 5. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And we put 7, 8, 5, and 6 in the middle and get 278,564. That's the answer. You can use this method to calculate any number multiplying by 11. You might be wondering, how could we determine the middle part of the answer if the sum of the answers are more than 10? It's also very easy. Let's look at 785 times 11. Just like the previous example, we take 7 as the first number of the answer and 5 as the last number. Here, 8 plus 5 equals 13. 3 should be taken as the number next to the last number 5, and we just put the extra 1 next to 3. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 5 plus the extra 1 equals 6, which should be placed next to the 7, and the extra 1 should be added to the first number 7, and that's 8. So we get the answer 8,635. It's the same method when solving similar problems with 4, 5, or 6-digit numbers, which you can even practice by yourself. And now let's learn how to multiply a number by 111. 35 times 111. Actually, it's similar to before. We put 3 in the first and 5 in the last position. 3 plus 5 equals 8. We write 8 twice between 3 and 5 and get 3,885. That's the answer. Let's try another one. 243 times 111. As usual, we put 2 in the first position and 3 in the last position. 4 plus 3 equals 7. We put it next to 3. 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals 9. We put it next to 7. 2 plus 4 equals 6. We put it next to 9 and get the answer 26,973. It's easy, right? Now, the last example for today. We will show you how to calculate if the sum of the number is bigger than 10. 867 times 111. First, put 8 in the first position and 7 in the last. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Put 3 next to 7, and the extra 1 plus 8 plus 6 plus 7 equals 22. Put 2 next to 3, the extra 2 plus 8 plus 6 equals 16. Put the 6 next to 2. The last step is to add the extra 1 to 8 and get the final first position as 9, making 96,237 as your final answer. Now you know how to calculate quickly with the special 11 and 111 tricks. Okay, that's all for today. Please keep doing more exercises, and remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, leave your comments below or email us at question@beat-math.com. We will try to answer your questions in a future video, and the most common question will be given priority in our next video. See you next time!